Meet the all-new Stage 1 audio kit for select 2017 and newer Can-Am Defender models. This overhead audio kit features all the Rockford Fosgate sound that you have come to expect, with easy installation, quick Bluetooth pairing, and right out of the box performance. So everything just works. This kit literally installs in less than an hour, making it a must-have for any Defender owner who wants to quickly add some sound. All right, let's jump into this all-new Stage 1 audio kit. It features a 3-piece design that houses two 5¼ element-ready speakers and our PMX1 source unit. Check out the 5¼ speakers. They feature a full-range coaxial design, which means solid mid-bass response and crisp high-end output. Each speaker is rated to handle 50 watts of power, and they're designed element ready, so they're built to stand up to the off-road environment. All right, let's jump over to the source unit that powers this system. Here we have our PMX1 source unit, which features a 2.3-inch wet bonded dot matrix display. So it's built rugged, and it's also easy to read in any light, day or night. It also features Bluetooth connectivity, so it's easy to quickly connect to your phone and get your playlist dialed. The bottom line is, if you're looking for a simple performance audio solution that's rugged enough to stand up to the off-road environment, that's easy to install with simple Bluetooth connectivity, then look no further.